Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are keeping well today. So now I am here to explain the summary of our next lesson, which is taken from our class 11 Hornbill main course book, and the title of the lesson is The Browning Version. The Browning Version is a short play. This play is based on a teacher and a student, his wife and another teacher. Here mainly explained by the author or a dramatic about a strict teacher and a soft nature teacher. So this play is written by Terence Ratchington. Now Terence Ratchington is British dramatist. He writes drama, he writes play, and here he has written this short play for us. The main character of this drama is Tableau, a student, a boy who is studying in a school. Mr. Crocker Harris, who is a teacher and he is very strict teacher. Another one is Mr. Frank. Now Mr. Frank is also a teacher. He is young and he mingles with the students, and therefore he does not consider as a strict teacher. Rather, he is a soft or kind-hearted person, or a soft nature teacher we can call. Another character is Mrs. Millie Harris. Now Mrs. Millie Harris is wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. In this way, we have come to know about the main characters of this play. Now let us go further with the explanation of the lesson. Here this is only the summary. So here actually what happens? Tableau, a boy, is sitting on the last day of school. He is sitting and doing some work. Suddenly, another teacher, who is that? Mr. Frank, who is young, as I told earlier, soft-hearted person, kind-hearted person, soft-natured person. So now what happens? When Tableau was sitting and doing some work on the last day of the school, suddenly Mr. Frank, another teacher, came and he saw Tableau is sitting and doing some work. Actually, this was a punishment for Tableau, and this punishment was given by whom? By Mr. Crocker Harris, who was very strict teacher. Now, when Mr. Frank came and saw that Tableau, the boy, is sitting there and doing some work, so he was surprised to see him, and he came just too near to the boy and asked him, "What are you doing here?" And he said, "I am doing some work." So he was surprised. On the last day of the school, you are sitting and doing your work? And this boy said, "Yes." And then Mr. Frank asked him his name, and the boy said his name was Tableau. And then Mr. Frank asked Tableau, "Why are you doing work here? Who has called you here?" Then he said, "I am in punishment. If I complete my work today, then Mr. Crocker Harris will decide that whether I am going to be promoted in the next class or not." Actually, all the students, other students of his own class, Mr. Tableau's class, or the student who was Tableau, his class student, they are already given remove. Now what is remove here? Remove is results of the class. But Tableau was not given so far. As I told earlier in the beginning of the lesson, that Mr. Crocker Harris was very strict person. He was too much strict. So he did give to Tableau. And Mr. Frank now asking Tableau, what do you think? If you complete your work and if you show it to Mr. Crocker Harris, then will he promote you to the next class? Then Tableau says, no, I'm not damn sure about that. Maybe I am promoted or maybe I am not. In this way, when Mr. Frank was talking to the boy, that time a kind of jealousy was seen in his tone. Why? Because on the last day of the school, the boy was sitting and doing his work, and he was not doing the work by his own wish, rather he was punished. So actually Mr. Frank was jealous to whom? To Mr. Crocker Harris. And why he was jealous? Because he was thinking that students are not having any fear from me, and they have fear, and too much fear from Mr. Crocker Harris. Whether it's a respect or it's a fear, he was not knowing. Though thinking those all things in his mind, he just asked to the boy Tableau, why are you too much worried about Mr. Crocker Harris? Why you obey him in this way? Even this is the last day of the school, all are enjoying, and you are sitting and doing work here. Do you think that Mr. Crocker Harris is a very tough person to understand, very hard in nature and very strict in his behavior? Then Tableau said, no sir, it is not like that. He is a very good person, but the way he treats with others, that really shows that he is very tough person and he is very strict person. So, and he actually, now another thing Mr. Frank asked to the boy, that you are sitting and doing work, how long you will be sitting and doing work? Then he said, Mr. Crocker Harris has given him time at 6:30. Then Mr. Frank just looked at in his watch and said, it is already 6:40. He is late. He called you at 6:30 and he himself is late. So you can go now. You can tell. If he comes here, I will tell him that you were here up to 6:40. Since you didn't come, so the boy Tableau went away. Then Tableau said, no sir, I cannot do that. If I do that, he will not promote me in the next class. I have to show him results. Actually, Tableau the boy, he was not interested in language. He always wanted to go in science field. For going in that field, Mr. Crocker Harris was taking a test. And if I pass, then only I will be given a remove. And then only I will be promoted to the other class. In this way, he was talking about. And another thing is what? This boy is saying that I can imagine this thing about Mr. Crocker Harris, that he is not sadist person. Now sadist means happy to bring pain. Means about Mr. Crocker Harris, the teachers are thinking and students are thinking that he is very strict person and he is very happy to give pain to others. But he is not sadist. Sadist means one who is happy to give pain to others. But he is not sadist. He is strict. He has also heart, but he doesn't want to show that. When he comes and faces the student, that time it seems that Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't have heart. He is totally heartless person. But it is not so. He is not sadist. He is very good person. He wants us to study. He wants us to teach something. And therefore he keeps that kind of behavior with the student. In this way, Mr. Frank was trying to just convey to the boy that Mr. Crocker Harris is a very tough person, very strict person. But the boy was even so many things he was having in his mind, but he was not ready to accept. Maybe it can be called a fear. He might be having a fear from the teacher. So in this way they were talking, and sometimes Tableau repeated the words of Mr. Crocker Harris. He means just repeated the way he used to speak in class. Who? Mr. Crocker Harris means he was just repeating his sound, he repeating his sentence, or we can call it a kind of mimicry he was doing for Mr. Crocker Harris. So in this way, and Mr. Frank was very happy to listen that this boy is showing now something which is taking him against the teacher. Actually, he was very kind-hearted person, and therefore he was always mingling with the students. Who? Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank's nature was very soft. He was very happy to mingle with the student, and Mr. Crocker Harris was very tough. So he always wanted to convey, he always wanted to know why teachers are having different type of attitude, why I am very soft and why he is very hard, and why students are respecting him too much, why they just obey him. Even on the last day a boy is sitting is doing his work and even he is late, but this boy doesn't want to leave the classroom. So he was having too much jealous that why these students are obeying Mr. Crocker Harris, and why they are just taking me lightly, because I am very soft kind-hearted person therefore, or maybe I am not strict therefore, or because he is senior, he is old and I am young because of that. So many things he was having in his mind, and those all things were showing jealous towards Mr. Crocker Harris or Mr. Frank. So in this way he was just trying to convey, he was just trying to pass his message to the boy that he is very good and Mr. Crocker Harris is not a good personality. He is not a person who can be mingled with. So in this way he was trying to say so many things to him. When he was talking, so many things he was talking about Mr. Crocker Harris, that time he found that the boy was not listening his words very keenly or showing his interest toward. So he said, when Mr. Crocker Harris called you at 6:30 and it is already 6:40, still he didn't come. So you can go and enjoy, go and play in the golf ground. If he comes, I will tell you that you were here. But since the teacher was late, therefore the boy went away. But this boy did not leave from that place. He was continuously sitting and taking the rest and doing his work. He was waiting Mr. Crocker Harris to come. In this way, the boy was continuously sitting and he was not daring to go out of the class because he had fear from Mr. Crocker Harris. And when this whole discussion was going on, suddenly he found, what he found, that somebody was there at the door. When he was just repeating so many things about Mr. Crocker Harris. One incident he has experienced with Mr. Crocker Harris in his class. And what was that? One day, generally Mr. Crocker Harris was a very strict person, but one day he said a joke. A joke he said in a class and nobody laughed. Only Tableau laughed. When Mr. Crocker Harris noticed that Tableau is laughing on my joke, then he called out. Then Tableau himself is saying this thing to Mr. Frank, that I myself laughed on Mr. Crocker Harris' joke, and others were sitting in very serious mode. So suddenly, when Crocker Harris noticed that I am laughing, he called me out of the class. And he told in front of all the students, I don't know whether that was a respect for me or it was an insult for me. So what did he say? He said, only Tableau is a person who can understand. His logic is very good enough. Therefore he only understood what I said, what a joke I said. Now Mr. Tableau will come and he will explain us that why did he laugh and what he understood from that joke. So that was the thing. When he was saying this whole thing about Mr. Crocker Harris and his joke, suddenly he notices that somebody is at the door. And door opened and somebody entered. And who was that? Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. So Mrs. Millie Harris entered in the room. And that time Tableau was too much afraid of her. And why did he afraid? Because he thought that Mrs. Millie might have heard what he spoke about Mr. Crocker Harris. So he had too much fear and he was in silent mode. But actually what happened? Mrs. Millie did not listen anything. Now about Mrs. Millie, what is said? Now Mrs. Millie is who? Wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. Now about Mrs. Millie, what is said? That among the wife of the teachers of the school, Mrs. Millie was the prettiest one and the most beautiful one. Her dressing sense was really outstanding. She looks gorgeous. She looks beautiful. So these all things are explained in the lesson about Mrs. Millie. When she came, she was holding a basket in her hand, and Chaplow and Mr. Frank both thought that Mrs. Millie has heard what they were talking. So they were in fear. They were afraid that now what will happen. So when she came, she was not showing this thing as she got something. So she came and she just told Tableau that you can, she notices the face of Tableau and she found that he was looking in too much fear. He was decent boy, he was honest boy, he was doing the work honestly, but still he was speaking something. But those words didn't touch the eardrum of Mrs. Harris. So now what happened? The boy was sitting in fear too much. Then suddenly she came and told, boy, Tableau, what are you doing? And he said, I am waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. Then White said, but he is not here. He is late. You can go and enjoy, or you can do some work. Then he said, no ma'am, it's not possible for me. I cannot go against him because he told me to wait for him. So therefore I am waiting for him. Then wife thought that he is showing too much respect towards her husband. Plus he is having too much fear. And she thought that somehow I have to convince the boy and I have to send him outside. Why she wanted to send him outside? Because first of all, she was seeing the sincerity of the boy. Another thing, she was able to notice that the boy was too much afraid of her husband. So somehow she wanted to take out that boy from that danger and from that situation where the boy was. So now what happened? Mrs. Millie again and again tried to convince the boy to send him out. And what she said, this is the basket and I have some description. She had one list. From the chemist shop she had to bring something, some description was written there. So what she said to the boy, Tableau, just to hold that basket and this description list and go to the chemist shop and bring this thing to me. And Tableau said, ma'am, if sir comes, then ma'am said, Mrs. Harris said that, no problem, you just go. If my husband comes, I will tell him that I sent him outside or I sent you outside. In that way, Mrs. Harris tried to convince the boy. And the boy was convinced. And he went outside holding the basket. And in this way, after that, when he went outside the classroom, that time now only this ma'am and sir, Mr. Frank and Mrs. Harris left inside. And after some time, she was able to convince the boy that he could go. He could go outside, and after that, whatever happened, that is not prescribed. That is not described in the lesson. So, in this lesson, in this short play, we have noticed that respect towards the teacher from a student, and also we have noticed fear towards a teacher, one who is very strict, and we have also noticed the jealousy of a teacher from another teacher. So these all things are the part of this short play, and I hope whatever explained you are clear with, and you will be able to write the answer of the lesson. In this lesson, generally some of the things are given in very easy way, some of the things are given in very easy to understand. General question which can be raised from this lesson are who are the character and what was the nature of the particular teacher, how Mr. Croker Harris was behaving with the student, and what was the behavior of Mr. Frank, and what did Millie said about her personality can be asked. So these are the some common things which can be asked from the lesson. So in this way we have seen enough from this lesson that what things can be asked and what is the summary of the lesson. The explanation is already given, and I hope you will be able to answer the question very well. So with this hope, all the best, do it well. Good day.